Louis Vuitton's LV Pont 9 has gone soft for the season. Love the LV Pont 9? Well, you're going to fall head over heels with the updated soft version as well, one that has recently arrived in Louis Vuitton's new in selection for the season. Instead of the smooth and structured calfskin, the French luxury house has opted for a softer grained calfskin leather this time, allowing the bag to take on a relaxed shape with casual good looks all around. You will be able to find it available in 2 sizes, for now, starting with the LV Pont 9 Soft PM, which measures 21 cm wide and 15 cm high. Pick from 4 colors like blue, gris, noir and cyan doré, all of which are sold together with gold tone hardware and a matching bi-colored monogram flowers jacquard leather shoulder strap. The next size up would be the LV Pont 9 Soft, one that's slightly bigger and taller at 25 cm by 17.5 cm. Do note that the size is only available in noir and cyan doré, so if you prefer the brighter colors, like the beautiful sky blue, then you have to opt for the smaller PM size instead. Both sizes are finished with the iconic LV circle in front, opening via the magnetic clasp to a single compartment that's perfect for all your daily bits and bobs. If you need additional security for important cards and notes, you can always store them within the zipped pocket tucked on the inside. The LV Pont 9 Soft is currently available at Louis Vuitton. Louis Vuitton's new LV Pont 9 Soft bag brings prep back. The new bag combines effortless, classic style with preppy vitality. Louis Vuitton's brand new member of the LV Pont 9 family is a vision of modern timelessness. The newcomer dons a rounder silhouette with a large, bi-colored embroidered strap crafted from grained calfskin leather. A design perfect for those on the go. Named after Paris' famous Pont Neuf bridge just adjacent to Louis Vuitton's headquarters, the LV Pont 9 Soft is a testament to the house's commitment to exquisite craftsmanship. From the iconic monogram motif to the monogram flower, the bag is brought to life with no more than 6 skilled craftsmen. It is also available in 4 new colors: black, golden sienna, blue and grey. Whether you're strutting down to the office or on lush weekend getaway, the LV Pont 9 Soft comes in 2 sizes to best fit your needs, medium and small.